Today we practice creating a standing wave in the quantum field. We believe that to change the world we have to do things, and indeed we do. We must do things, but the sages of old understood that in the silence of your meditative practice you could create a standing wave in the quantum field of life and the energy field of creation that would bring peace and harmony to the world. But to create the standing wave, you first had to find peace and harmony in your own world, in your own energy centers, in your chakras. This is the energetic practice of gratitude. And we do this by beginning to balance our own energy centers, by bringing our hands to our heart center, and then leaving the left hand there, and with the right hand spinning the first chakra clockwise and connecting it to nature, and coming back to the second chakra and spinning it and connecting it to all the trees and to all of life on earth. And our third chakra, balancing and harmonizing that center and connecting it to all life, and our heart center, spinning it clockwise as if your body were the body of the clock and your hands were the hands of the clock, and extending it outwards. And the throat chakra, your voice, your expression, and connecting it to all of life. Your third eye, your vision, that you may see truth and reality as it is, and not as we believe it to be. And the seventh chakra, the very top of your head, connecting you to the heavens. To the heavens, and the first chakra to the mother, to the earth. And bringing your hands back to your heart center. For the sages of old, gratitude meant creating peace and balance in your system and allowing that peace and balance to radiate into the field and to organize the world and the cosmos around peace and balance and beauty. This was called the journey from chaos to cosmos, from the original chaos of space where debris and gases were swirling around each other to create galaxies and planets, to cosmos where planets became habitable, where this practice that was done by sages millennia ago resulted in our beautiful blue-green planet. We don't have to go around creating new planets, but we can create peace and balance and gratitude in ourselves and allow this to become a standing wave in the quantum field of creation. And then as we become peace, peace surrounds us and beauty touches everyone.